There is a global shortage of seed required for ecological restoration. We know that there are huge forest fires destroying vast landscapes. We know that there is surging demand for seed by virtue of government programs that are planting more and more trees as a solution to the carbon problem. And we know that there is a shortage of labor in order to get the seeds collected and into the supply chain. So there really needs to be some systemic solutions to that problem in order to scale our ability to restore landscapes around the world. Wilder Climate Solutions is a company that is working to expedite global reforestation. So we are creating tools and technologies to facilitate that. The first product we created is something called Squirrel, which is working on the supply chain for native seed, specifically for the purpose of ecological restoration. Our tool, Squirrel, is focusing on accomplishing 3 core tasks. The first is developing an exchange for native seed where users and suppliers of seed can connect. The second is enabling by producing tools that every person on Earth can use in order to collect seed and successfully get it into the hands of projects where those seeds can be used. And the third is developing the traceability of seeds so that we can make better ecological decisions about putting the right plant in the right place. I think one of the big changes we need to think about as a society, and particularly at this time in the planetary crisis, is how we unleash the potential of all people to contribute to the solutions. Everybody needs to have hope, and I think that finding ways and avenues to involve more people, more Indigenous people, more local communities in these solutions is entirely important. I also think that it's really valuable for us to find new and unique ways to surface valuable and relevant data that's going to help us make better decisions. And I think that systems thinking is challenging us to create new innovations that take into consideration not only the ecological outcomes, but also the outcomes for people.